Can Bitcoin reach $100,000 in 2022? In this video we are going to discuss some possible scenarios. We look at how the past can be an indication of what could possibly happen in the future. We analyze what the crypto market looks like today to better understand if now is an interesting time to buy or to sell Bitcoin. And finally, we'll discuss how likely it is that Bitcoin could actually hit $100,000 this year. Let's go! First of all, I want to point out two remarkable findings from the past from which we can come to conclusions that will help us estimate how far we've come in this cycle. So the first conclusion is that Bitcoin appears to be taking longer and longer to get from the bear market bottom to its market cycle top during its bull run. Just to clarify, for absolute beginners, when we talk about bear market, it's when the value in the market goes down, and the bull run is when the market goes up. When we see that cycles are taking longer, then we start talking about lengthening cycles. And let's take a look at the data of the past to see some proof of these noticeable lengthening cycles. Let's see, in the cycle it took about 300 days from bottom to top. The next cycle was about 750 days, and we also noticed a lower return. Keep that in mind. And the last cycle lasted 1050 days from the previous bottom to the last peak, again with an even lower return compared to the previous cycle. As each cycle is taking longer and longer, we also noticed diminishing returns per cycle. If you bought Bitcoin in the first cycle and sold it at the peak, you would have made much more gains than buying at the bottom in the second cycle to sell it at the second cycle's peak, and so on. That's why people often leave Bitcoin aside and move to slightly riskier investments like altcoins that can still make explosive gains. But that's a discussion for another video, because they bring much more risk than a blue chip coin such as Bitcoin. In the meantime, you can let me know with a like on this video if the explanation is clear so far. Our current Bitcoin cycle started at the bottom that happened on December 15, 2018, with the price of around $3,200. We are currently almost 1,200 days further. Therefore, this cycle is already lasting longer than the previous one. We even had a price record after 1,061 days with a price value of almost $70,000 per Bitcoin. So this cycle has technically lengthened as well. Each cycle is unique. In 2013 we had the double peak cycle. In 2017, 2018 it was actually an ever-growing curve until we finally peaked. With this cycle it looks like we're getting multiple local peaks. Kind of 2013 but an extended version of it. We already had two peaks. A third or a possibly fourth peak is not excluded. Now, if you're a beginner, you're probably wondering what is suddenly bringing the value of Bitcoin up during these bear markets. What's the trigger? In the beginning, one of the biggest events for Bitcoin that increased its value was the Bitcoin halving. To better understand what this means, you first need to know how Bitcoins get into circulation in the first place. To explain it in an oversimplified way, there are people all over the world who have powerful computers they use to mine Bitcoins. These people are called miners. These miners get compensated with Bitcoin every time their computer manages to successfully monitor Bitcoin transactions. But every 4 years there is a Bitcoin halving. This means that the miners are compensated every 4 years with half amount of Bitcoin from the previous cycle. Hey miners, just wanted to say that your salary is going to be split in half from today. Last year was our best year ever, but yeah, too bad for your salary. Great chat, let's talk again in 4 years, shall we? Okay, bye guys. So, in 2013, the reward was 50 Bitcoin and was reduced to 25. 4 years later, from 25 to 12.5. And since the last halving in 2020, the reward was only 6.25 Bitcoin. This is meant to increase the scarcity of Bitcoin, which will result in a higher price value. Now, where are we in the current market, and is it a good time to buy Bitcoin? Or should we sell it already? Whatever I say, this is not financial advice, just my own opinion. For me, this is definitely a moment where I would buy more Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin is about 40% lower than its peak in November. This drop is a correction, and such corrections are really not exceptional and even healthy for the market, because it gives the market time to cool down. These are the moments that offer you a good opportunity to buy some extra Bitcoin for a lower price. Bitcoin is on sale. There are several indicators that also show when it is a good time to buy or sell, such as the fear and greed indicator. That gives you an indication of market sentiment. If you're just starting to invest, the first rule is to keep your emotions out when buying and selling. Currently, the market sentiment is in fear. This means investors are fearful and are mostly selling. But for me, it's the perfect time to buy my crypto at a discounted price. When Bitcoin increases in value and the indicator changes to greed, this is when people see Bitcoin rising so fast that everyone keeps on buying more to enjoy the rising profits. But that's actually the moment that you need to sell to take out all of your profits. Another well-known indicator is the 20-week moving average. This is the average price of Bitcoin over the last 20 weeks, and usually we need to stay above and hold this line to continue the bull market. Currently, we're underneath this 20-week moving average. As long as we are below this average, we are mainly in a bear market, so it's certainly not a good time to sell, but to buy and accumulate your Bitcoin position. If you have some money on the side to invest, instead of going all in at once, you can DCA, which stands for dollar cost average. Buy your Bitcoin on multiple occasions when it gradually goes down. This will give you a more interesting price average. In addition, there are many different indicators and models that we can use to speculate about the price of Bitcoin. But this is purely speculation, so not an exact science. In fact, you have to assume that all models are wrong and you have to be prepared for any situation. So can Bitcoin go to $100,000 this cycle? As a conclusion of this video, I first want to emphasize that no one can predict the future. Anyone who claims with certainty that, let's say, by September, Bitcoin will go up to $100,000 for sure is simply being ridiculous. Even though the past can give us a possible idea of what might happen in the future, we can estimate that we are still in a bull run, meaning the value will very likely continue to rise for a while with occasional corrections, and such corrections are healthy for the market. Now, the best time to sell will depend on how fast the rise will happen in the coming months. A rapid rise will cause a faster and lower peak. A slow rise takes longer as the market has time to reach higher potential without overheating. And I think this market cycle is more likely to be a slow climb to the top. For those who have not experienced the previous Bitcoin peaks, before Bitcoin reaches this point, it keeps breaking new all-time highs day after day. Everyone is talking about it and everyone thinks it will continue to skyrocket to the moon. Until finally the bubble pops and the crash comes with a very long multi-year bear market. Bitcoin goes back to being undervalued and the new cycle starts again. If you manage to sell most of your Bitcoin position during the bull run, you can use your gains to buy Bitcoin again during its long bear market. Bull runs will make people rich, but bear markets will make people wealthy. But in the case that we continue to grow gradually and slowly through this year 2022, then the market will probably not overheat as quickly, and this can even lead to a higher peak of $150,000 or $200,000 as a result, for example. My personal expectation is that Bitcoin's peak may fall late 2022, but the cycle could equally well last into early 2023 due to the lengthening cycle theory. It's a fairly long margin, I know, but it seems the most logical if we look at the past and very carefully draw speculative conclusions from it. Again, we will most likely not see as much growth as the previous cycle as we consider diminishing returns. So forget a $400,000 Bitcoin this bull run, that's something to speculate on in the next cycle. I would suggest something between $100,000 and $200,000 is more reasonable. If you want to be very conservative, you can take your gains between $80,000 and $100,000, which today is still a 2x from here, but I do think it will trend higher than that. If you want to buy your very first piece of Bitcoin or Ethereum, watch this video over here, which will guide you step by step on how to buy and sell your very first piece of Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you liked it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.